Okay, it's Sunday. Next Saturday's roll racing. Had the car on the dyno just at Cam's now, Solid Mechanical and Engineering. It's Sunday and he's let me use the workshop just to do some checkovers. Had an injector O-ring problem the other night, but I think I've got that all fixed, so just going to do it here because I can't start the thing up at home because I've got wonderful neighbours who don't like anything loud. So I'm here, I'm going to fire it up, just check no leaks, all that sort of thing, do a few other checkovers on the car, and hopefully it'll be ready for next weekend. And I say hopefully, but everything's been pretty good so far. So yeah, I'm pretty confident, and either way, we're not going to push it too hard. We're just going to go out and have some fun. So here we go. So there you go, these are the brakes that are on at the moment. That's just the factory style Ford rotors. These have been on there since I built the car. I haven't done any use with them, but they're just a basic off-the-shelf rotor. It's got some Bendix pads in it, but I don't even know what model Bendix pad they are. They're just, I think, just a normal 1108 pad. So just in the effort of increasing the braking a bit better, and just, you know, a bit of maintenance before we go out and driving it. Everything's new in there, but I'm just going to do it all again because this was done a while ago. So I have over here some brand new slotted rotors, Bendix Ultimate Plus pads, which I run in the FG as well. Brand new set of wheel bearings for both sides, and also on top of that, bit of an old school one, but just an automated trans temperature gauge, just so I can keep an eye on the transmission temperature, especially for roll racing and stuff like that, or if I end up going to power crew or something. Just you know, it's a little bit of extra info there when you're driving. So yeah, this is like bringing back memories of when I was a Ford mechanic. Yeah, these cars were brand new when I was doing my apprenticeship back in 1997. I finished my apprenticeship in 1998, so it gives you an idea how damn old I am. But used to do lots and lots and lots of wheel bearings on these for 40,000, 80,000 k services from memory. So usually we just whip them apart, check them, see if they are any good, and then give them a good clean out, and then replace the grease in them. But you know, new hub seals, that sort of thing. But yeah, this time around, brand new ones, cups and cones as they call them, and fresh load of grease, clean up the stub axle and slap on the new rotors and the new pads, and should be good to go. Alright, time to wrap this video up. Okay, I've got a bunch of things done today. It's got the slotted rotors and the ultimate pads in it now. I may have had a cheeky lap around the block with the trade plate on it just to make sure the brakes are working, and they are 1,000 times better than they were before, which is good. Unfortunately, I had a little minor fuel leak again. I'm not sure, it's probably something I've done wrong, but I shut it down really quick, and then I just basically pulled it in here because it's still quite warm on the engine bay. Didn't want to fire it up again because, or turn it on, because obviously things are still warm there, so I didn't know where the fuel's squirting from. So better off to wait until it's stone cold again, turn it on, see what's leaking, fix the leak and come back to it tomorrow morning. So other than that, getting closer, a few more little bits and pieces to do, just working on the trans temp gauge as well, but getting there. Man, E85 and my eyeballs. Alrighty, here is the new setup for the new fuel rails. As mentioned before, I had a slight problem with the old setup, and I'll be brutally honest in saying that this is a very, I wouldn't say poor attempt, this is just my creation. It was in theory going to work really well, it worked the first time, but decided to add some welding to it and buckled it, and hence it leaked. So this is going in the bin, and a big thanks to Jamie and the crew at Raceworks. We have 2 brand new Raceworks extruded rails, and big thanks to Johnny here. We've got some nice billet brackets to hold them together, so they go up under here instead of the factory brackets that come with these rails, because obviously the brackets that come with them will go straight onto a standard FG, but because this has got 2 sets of injectors, it's a pain in the butt. So now from here, basically we've got to work out how we're going to make that bolt down on the manifold. Might have to ruin a teeny bit of the beautiful ceramic coating on this manifold, but no, it should be alright. So alright, so we are here tonight at the Bend Motorsport Park. It's the first time I've ever driven my car, and I'm not going to lie, I'm a little bit nervous. Pretty excited because it's been a long time in the build, and all of my close friends will be having a bit of a giggle the fact that I'm actually driving this car now. But it's pretty cool, and we've got so many people to thank for this in the short amount of time just leading up to this. You know, quickly reel off, you know, obviously Burst and Auto Parts have been a huge help with my car, but Dex for tuning it, Anthony Cece for letting us use his dyno, Mike from MV Automatics for helping out with the auto and dialing in all the suspension, Cam from Solid for just everything. He's been a huge help, letting me use his workshop and helping me out and welding stuff when I need it welded and all that. So anyway, it's yeah, I haven't filmed anything yet. Literally on the way here the trailer was swaying around on the freeway. Everything that could go wrong was going wrong, but you know, we're here now, and it's a chilly evening, so it'll be good turbo weather, but the car's only making 20 pounds of boost, made 892 horsepower at the wheel, so it's not ridiculous Barra spec, but it's good enough to have a bit of fun and just drive it down the track and see what it feels like. It's only 200 meters, so hopefully it shouldn't be too crazy, but we'll see how we go. So anyway, I'm gonna have the camera in the car and have a bit of fun with it. So I'll just do a quick walk around and then we'll get into it and you can stop looking at my boring face. We must have thrown the belt.
Yeah, I suspect so.
Or it's jumped it.
It goes good. Spins the wheels a lot.
Yeah.
Did we win that?
I think so. I think we won. Oh well, them's the brakes. One run, one win, broken car. Thank you, Mr. Ford, for your plastic water pump pulleys. And yeah, it's 6:58 p.m. Yeah. Where do you get a water pump for a Falcon at this time of night?